Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Top Race 3-Channel RC Plane. Top Race Remote Control Airplane RC Plane 3-channel battery-powered radio control airplanes for adults and kids 8+ Easter gift toy. Easy to control electric planes with propeller saver style, 3-channel blue. Take flight with the Top Race 3-channel remote control airplane, designed for beginners, kids, and adults who want to experience the thrill of flying. This sleek blue RC plane combines fun, durability, and advanced features, making it a perfect gift for Easter, birthdays, or any special occasion. Equipped with a 3-channel control system, elevator, rudder, and throttle, this airplane provides stable and responsive flight, giving beginners the confidence to learn quickly while still offering excitement for more experienced flyers. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures resilience against minor crashes, while the propeller saver technology helps protect the propeller from damage during unexpected landings. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Top Race RC plane delivers extended flying sessions so you can spend more time in the air and less time waiting for recharges. The included 2.4 GHz radio system provides long-range, interference-free control, allowing multiple planes to fly together without signal issues. Easy to assemble and simple to operate, this electric RC airplane is an ideal choice for outdoor adventures. Whether you're flying at the park, in your backyard, or on an open field, it guarantees hours of excitement. Number 2. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. FMS RC Planes for Adults Remote Control Airplane P-51 Mustang Red Tail RC Airplane 6CH 1700mm, 66.9-inch, wingspan with flaps, LED, retracts PNP, no radio, battery, charger, warbird, style, 1700mm P-51D. Experience the thrill of flying one of the most iconic World War II warbirds with the FMS P-51 Mustang Red Tail RC Airplane. Built for serious RC enthusiasts, this large-scale model features a 1700mm, 66.9-inch, wingspan, capturing the legendary Mustang's commanding presence in the skies. This 6-channel warbird comes equipped with advanced features including functional flaps for realistic takeoffs and landings, electronic retractable landing gear for added authenticity, and bright LED lights that enhance visibility and scale appearance. Its durable construction with precision-molded foam and reinforced parts ensures both strength and lightweight performance, giving you a stable and responsive flight experience. Designed as a PNP, plug-and-play, model, this aircraft includes the motor, ESC, and servos pre-installed. Simply add your preferred radio system, battery, and charger to get airborne. The powerful brushless motor delivers impressive performance, while the aerodynamic design makes it equally suitable for smooth cruising or thrilling aerobatic maneuvers. The Red Tail Edition pays tribute to the famed Tuskegee Airmen, making this aircraft not only a high-performance RC model but also a piece of aviation history. Whether displayed on the ground or soaring through the air, it's sure to draw attention from hobbyists and spectators alike. Perfect for advanced pilots, the FMS P-51D Mustang 1700mm is more than just an RC plane, it's a tribute to a classic warbird, blending scale realism with modern RC technology for an unforgettable flying experience. Number 3. Hawkwork 2CH Remote Control Airplane. Hawkwork 2CH RC Airplane, F-22 plane ready to fly, 2.4 GHz remote control, easy-to-fly RC glider for kids and beginners. Take your first step into the world of aviation with the Hawkwork 2-channel RC Airplane F-22, a beginner-friendly remote control plane designed for kids and first-time pilots. Modeled after the legendary F-22 fighter jet, this RC glider combines sleek design, durable materials, and simple controls to make flying exciting and accessible for all ages. Equipped with a 2-channel control system, rudder and throttle, the F-22 RC plane is easy to master, even for beginners. The lightweight foam construction not only ensures safe flying but also provides excellent resistance against crashes, making it a durable choice for kids learning how to fly. The built-in gyroscope system helps stabilize the aircraft, allowing smooth and steady flights. The 2.4 GHz radio controller ensures long-distance, interference-free control so multiple planes can fly together without signal issues. Its ready-to-fly, RTF, design means you can start flying right out of the box, no complicated assembly required. Simply charge the included battery, and you're ready to take off. Perfect for parks, backyards, or open fields, the Hawkwork F-22 offers thrilling takeoffs, smooth gliding, and controlled landings. Designed for kids ages 8+ and beginner pilots, this plane makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or outdoor adventures. Number 4. Volantexrc RC Airplane. Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub 4CH remote control airplane with prop saver, 6-axis Euro stabilizer and 3 modes to fly, radio-controlled aircraft RTF for beginners, kids and adults, 500 mm, red. Learn to fly with confidence using the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub RC Trainer Airplane, a ready-to-fly aircraft designed for beginners, kids, and adults. With its eye-catching red 500 mm wingspan design, this model combines durability, stability, and advanced features, making it the perfect introduction to the world of RC aviation. Equipped with a 4-channel control system, aileron, elevator, rudder, and throttle, the Sport Cub offers full maneuverability for realistic flying. Its 6-axis Euro stabilizer provides excellent flight stability, automatically correcting movements to keep your plane steady, ideal for new pilots who want smooth and controlled flights. This trainer plane features 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Start with full stabilization in beginner mode, progress to partial assistance in intermediate mode, and then enjoy complete control in expert mode. The included prop saver design helps protect the propeller from damage during rough landings, extending the lifespan of your plane. With its RTF, ready-to-fly, package, everything you need to start flying is included. Simply charge the battery and take off. The 2.4 GHz radio control system ensures a strong, interference-free signal, so multiple planes can fly together without issues. Durable, lightweight, and easy to operate, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub RC Trainer is perfect for outdoor fun at parks, backyards, or open fields. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring pilot, this RC airplane delivers hours of exciting and educational flight time. Number 5. iHobby Remote Control Airplane. Remote Control Airplane RC Plane Ready to Fly, 2.4 GHz 2-channel RC aircraft with built-in 3-axis gyroscope, durable EPP styrofoam remote control plane for kids, boys, girls and beginners. Take to the skies with the Remote Control Airplane, a fun and beginner-friendly RC plane designed for kids, boys, girls, and first-time pilots. With its lightweight design and durable construction, this RC aircraft makes learning to fly safe, easy, and exciting. Equipped with a 2-channel control system and a built-in 3-axis gyroscope, the plane provides excellent stability and smooth handling, making it ideal for beginners. Even if it's your first time flying, the gyroscope technology helps balance the aircraft in the air, reducing crashes and giving you confidence as you learn. Made from EPP styrofoam material, this plane is highly durable yet lightweight, capable of withstanding bumps, rough landings, and minor crashes without breaking. Its strong design ensures you spend more time flying and less time repairing. The included 2.4 GHz remote control offers stable, interference-free communication, allowing multiple planes to fly at the same time without signal problems. With its ready-to-fly, RTF, setup, you can start flying right out of the box, Just charge the battery, grab the controller, and you're ready for takeoff. Perfect for outdoor fun in backyards, parks, or open fields, this RC airplane is a great way to introduce kids to aviation while also providing hours of entertainment for the whole family. Whether you're buying as a birthday gift, holiday surprise, or just a fun outdoor activity, the remote control airplane is an excellent choice for beginners of all ages.